Hey, it's James Nicolson, and I'm just with Amir. Now, I have had a life-changing experience in my business, and one of the most important things that I did was get my book launched. Now, I wanted to launch a book for 4 years, and I just never did it. I had a go at writing it, I procrastinated, I had one chapter that was about 1,000,000 words. And so what I found was the most important thing was to outsource it to someone like Amir and just get it done. Because having a book positions you as an authority. So it got me that expert status. And thousands and thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs in the UK have taken a copy of my book. And what happens is they see me as that expert in the market. That gives me higher positioning. And immediately, like the week of launching my book, I got a £15,000 sale straight away from someone that had never heard of me, got my book, contacted me and wanted to get private mentoring straight away. Now I can look at the sales in my business and track back. And I did that in 2019 and saw that my book brought in millions in extra revenue into my business. And so if you're considering getting a book, don't try and write it yourself because you're just not going to do it. Get an expert like Amir, get them to write the book because they know the structure, they know how to do it at the right speed, they know exactly what needs to happen, the nuances that need to be in that book to make it perfect. So reach out to Amir, get yourself booked in, talk to him about how he can make your business transform with a book. It's the right thing to do, I promise you.